So today we're going to work on regular trinomial. So how we recognize a regular trinomial question is we're factoring a quadratic that has both a, b, and c. The a value is 1. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to be 6 and that add to be 5. So if I'm struggling to think of what those two numbers are, I just take this 6 and I write down all the things that multiply to give me 6. So 6 and 1, 2 and 3, that's it. So which one of those is going to work for me? So I'm going to do 2 and 3. Those work in both spots. So those numbers become my factors. And then when I get to this point, I take each factor and I set it equal to 0, each one individually, and I solve for x. So subtract 2 on both sides, subtract 3 on both sides. So those are my roots. Okay, today we're going to talk about factoring a regular trinomial using the box method. So the first thing you need to do is set up your box, and you place the last term here and the first term here. Next, you're going to figure out what's going to go in these boxes by figuring out what two numbers multiply to be 6, so the last term, and add to be the middle term there. Okay, so it's the c value and the b value. So 2 and 3 work in this situation. So you put a 2x here and a 3x here. The next thing you do is factor out the greatest common factor. So what can I take out of x squared and 2x? I can take out an x. What can I take out of a 3x and a 6? I can take out a plus 3. X squared and a 3x, I can take out an x. 2x and a 6, I can take out a 2. And what's on the top of the box and the side of the box is my factors. So x plus 2 and x plus 3. Take each factor, set them equal to 0, and solve for x. So x equals -2 and x equals -3. So that's how to do the box method.